walk like this, talk like this, look like this, you could never. Bad red bone from the south, round hitting licks with a yellow. Bitch so bad when I walk past, niggas sing my name a cappella.
Hey guys, so as you guys can see by the title below, you guys, yes, this is going to be the kids' Christmas wish list. You guys have been asking me to do their wish list ever since like last month. And I didn't know if I was going to even do this video because I'm not sure if you guys want to see the kids what they get for Christmas video again this year. The reason is because it looks like my camera is crooked. And if it is, you guys, I'm not even about to move it. Yeah, if it's crooked, I'm sorry. So how have you guys been? I've missed you guys so much. I have been so busy. But you guys know I'm always going to come through because you guys are always requesting videos. So I wanted to just throw that out there because y'all know I fucks with y'all a long way, okay? But back to what I was saying before I got distracted. I don't know, it's kind of, I don't know, maybe to you guys it don't seem cricket, but to me, we're just gonna roll with it, okay? So like I was saying, I don't know if we want to film the what they got for Christmas video this year because Kalia is 16 now. And by Christmas, our son will be 15. And I'm not sure if, you know, you guys want to see because they're older. So if you guys could do me a favor, please stop what you're doing. And maybe if you get this video to 5,000 likes, I may go ahead and ask them to film the video. And if they see you guys' likes and stuff like that, of course they will film the video for you guys. So stop what you're doing and get this video to 5,000 likes. And if this video gets to 5,000 likes, you guys, then we're definitely going to do the what they got for Christmas video. And the 5,000 likes is just my way of knowing that you guys really want to see the video. That's just my way of knowing and show them that you guys really want to see the video. So thank you guys so much for doing that because I know y'all fucks with me just like I fucks with y'all. So, and if you haven't seen the kids what they got for Christmas video, I will have it linked down below. It'll be the first link that you guys see. You guys want to go watch that video. Also, if you want to go see the what they got, not what they got for Christmas, the Christmas wish list last year, I will have that one linked down below under the what they got for Christmas video. So, this phone is going off so freaking much. Okay, so I have the kids' Christmas wish list right here in my phone. I asked them to send me pictures of the items that they wanted and send me just their 5 things. Every year we ask them to send us 5 things a piece. And it's not a guarantee that they're going to get everything on the list. But I mean, it is a Christmas wish list. You guys know this is my favorite time of the year. I love fall, I love winter, I love giving. And stay tuned because you guys are going to be doing some giveaways for gift cards and cash. So stick around and watch my videos because you never know what part of the video and what video I'm going to be posting that you guys are going to be able to win some money, honey, and you can buy your loved ones some gifts as well. So, like I said, like this video, get it to 5,000 likes. All the other videos will be linked down below if you guys are interested in seeing what they got last year. I'm not sure, like I said, it'll be linked down below. So, I'm going to go ahead and start with my son since he's the youngest. So, the first thing on his Christmas wish list is Call of Duty Modern Warfare, which I think that's a game that he wants for his Xbox One S or something like that. I don't know what it's called, y'all. I just know what the games look like when I go into Best Buy. So, yeah, that's one of the games that he wants. Second thing on his what the fuck? I'm not even going to edit that out. Look. The second thing is, I don't know what they say before that, but Air Forces. You guys, I'm not sure if you guys watch, but I did like a couple of school vlogs and I went shopping with them and We took them to different stores shopping for back to school, and we also did a couple of get ready with them first day of school videos for the week as well. And my son had a pair of, one of the shoes he picked out for school was a pair of, I think they're called holographic Air Force Ones. You guys saw them in the video. He's been wearing them, not a lot because he takes very good care of his shoes, and he's been on this Air Force trend lately. So I don't know, he's usually like a Vapor Max type of guy, or you know, just Nikes and stuff like that, and Air Max and stuff like that. But that's what's on his list. Oh, speaking of Air Max, the third item that he wants for Christmas is a pair of white Air Max 97s. I'm not even sure if I know what they look like. He did not send me a picture of those. He sent me a picture of the Air Forces that he wanted. So I don't even know. He's gonna have to send me a picture because, yeah, when we go shopping, I like to know what I'm looking for. My husband, on the other hand, he can pretty much just pick out the item. Me, I like to know exactly what I'm looking for, and sometimes if they send me the pictures, I can just take it to the store and say, hey, do you have this shoe in a size blah blah blah, and it's a smooth seller from there. It makes it easier for me when I'm shopping. And then the fourth items, which is more than one, of course, he put clothes. Now, you guys, normally when we do Christmas shopping, me and my husband, we always have stuff in mind that we want to get our kids for Christmas as well. So some of the things that they may get for Christmas may not be on their Christmas wish list, simply because it's stuff that we want to get our children as well. Stuff that we saw throughout the year. We was like, oh yeah, we get it for Christmas. Oh yeah, we get it for that. But you guys know that our children go to school and they don't have to wear uniforms. So they basically get like new shoes and clothes like every month. So they actually have quite a few shoes, and they take really good care of their shoes. So that's how they're able to wear their shoes often. Plus it has a variety of shoes, so they don't have to wear the same pair of shoes every day, which is really good because their shoes can be kind of expensive. I know my son has a big feet, you guys. I think right now he's wearing a size 11. Yes. So he has a big ass foot. So sometimes it's kind of hard to find the exact shoe that he wants because of his shoe size. So because he has such a huge ass foot, I tell him, you know, take care of your shoes. These shoes are not cheap. These are very expensive shoes. So, you know, take care of your stuff, and they do that. I will say they do really, really good. Him and my daughter are taking care of their shoes. So, yeah. I don't know why I would have thought he would have had a pair of Vapor Max on here because he loves Vapor Max. I love Vapor Max. I love Air Max 97s. I even love Air Max, I think they're called 95s. I'm not even sure, but I love those type of shoes. I would have thought he would have put the Vapor Max on here, but he don't have a pair on here. And then he have a pair of diamond earrings for men, which is weird because he don't even have his ear pierced. So does that mean he want to get his ear pierced? Is that what that means? I don't know. Y'all have to wait and see. So moving on to Kalia's wish list. The first thing she has on her wish list is a Apple laptop. I was like, what? That is one of the items that is on her wish list. So an Apple laptop. And then she put heels, boot heels. So I guess she mean like heels with the boots on it. I'm assuming. I'm gonna have to ask her specifically so I'll know, just in case I get them. And then she say stylish clothes. You guys, I do dress my daughter a lot, so if you guys see her fly, thank her mom, because look, mama be fly too. I'm just saying. What's up? What's hello? Don't sleep on mom here, okay? So of course, just clothes. And then she said difference industrial piercings. If you guys remember, my daughter is 16. For her 15th birthday, she wanted to get an industrial piercing, which is the little piece is like on her ear. And I snapped that. That's why I always tell you guys, follow me on Snapchat, because Snapchat first, get first dibs on everything first. Snapchat, I recorded it. I didn't even make a YouTube video about it. I just recorded it when she went through the process on Snapchat, and that was it. She didn't move, she didn't flinch, she didn't do anything. And that's what she wanted for her 15th birthday, so that's what she got. And like a party and stuff like that. So she do have quite a few industrial piercings, because we're always buying her different ones. So that is one thing that she wants on here. And then last, she have a pink gift card. So that is the kids' Christmas wish list. Hopefully they don't go back and change anything, because they have done that the last 2 years. They will make their list, and let's say we already purchased something, then they switch it out. It's kind of hard to kind of like keep up with all the receipts and stuff like that. But I have learned since last year to keep all receipts, because sometimes something may not fit and you can go back and get like a gift card at them, exchange and stuff like that. So that's really, really good, especially like right now in November. If you go shopping, just ask them for gift receipts. And the gift receipts usually last until like January the 15th. I know at the Polo store, like we was shopping the other day, and I asked them, I said, and I ain't saying this is one of the kids' gifts that we got them for Christmas. But what I'm saying is, I was like, okay, so if such and such can't wear this jacket, if I get a gift receipt, how long do I have to return it, to exchange it? And they said until January the 15th. So that's if you have a gift card. Now, if you just get a regular store receipt, some stores may be like 14 days, some stores may be like 30 days, and then by the time Christmas get here, you can't even go back and exchange it or get a refund or do anything else you want to do, because the receipt is not going to be any good anymore. So that is why you guys should always get gift receipts, especially if you are purchasing for people right now. You guys know that I am not a late shopper when it comes to Christmas shopping. I love giving gifts to family and my friends, stuff like that. So you guys, I actually been Christmas shopping ever since August. Yes, ever since August. So I'm so excited, you guys. I love November and December. I just love this time of the year. You guys, if you're an OG, you know that by now. But that has been the kids' Christmas wish list. I'm not sure if I want to do a Christmas wish list, because I'm a grown-ass woman. Like, I don't know if y'all care what I want for Christmas. I don't really even want much for Christmas. Honestly, I just like making other people happy. That makes me happy to see my children open their gifts, my husband open their gifts, my mom, my dad, my family, my sister, my nieces, stuff like that, my friends. That's what makes me really, really happy. I don't really want for much. You know, I just like for other people to receive my gifts and I see them smiling and shit, and I'm like, yes, bitch. I just love making people happy when it comes to like giving and stuff like that. So with that being said, speaking of giving, I am doing a $50 gift card, and it's going to be a Visa gift card. So if you stay to the end through all my talking, then that's good, because now you have a chance to win a $50 gift card. And every gift card in the videos are not going to be $50. Some may be $200, some may be $500, some may be $5, some may be $10. You never know. That's why you have to watch my videos. You never know when it's going to come, sweetie. So, with that being said, I am doing a giveaway, and it's only going to last for 1 week. It's not even going to last long, because I'm going to continue to do these. After this one is over, I'm going to do another one, so stay tuned for all my videos. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is very, very simple, very, very easy. You must be subscribed, and you must give this video a thumbs up. I will leave the video down below of the kids what they got for Christmas video. All you have to do when you go to that video is leave a heart-shaped emoji and say enter me. Follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. Snapchat, I will not come back and make a whole separate video. So please be following my Snapchat. I will have the date down below. It's only going to be for a week, so I can give other people time to watch this video, because as soon as I upload videos, people don't watch it the same day. So I just want to get more people to enter the giveaway. Then after that giveaway is over, the next time I film again, next week, I will do another giveaway. So make sure you guys follow the rules. Once again, all you have to do is be subscribed, give this video a big thumbs up. Click the link down in the description, which is going to be their what they got for Christmas video. Put a heart emoji, enter me. Follow me on Snapchat and Instagram, and that is where I will announce the winners. Just as easy, just as simple. Please make sure you guys, please make sure you guys are over 18. If not, if you're under 18, please have your parents' consent, because I do not want something returned to me when I could have given it to someone else who followed the rules, who are older than 18 or have their parents' consent. So please, once again, if you're under 18, please have your parents' consent before you enter my giveaway. And I'm just mailing a $50 gift card to your house, and your parents is like, who is this? What is this for? So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, if you guys want the kids to do the what they got for Christmas video, all you have to do is get this video to 5,000 likes, and we definitely will do it for you guys, because we love you guys so much. You guys know y'all are a part of our life. You guys are just like family. We do not consider you guys subscribers or fans, or you know, you guys are family, and we love you guys so much. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And also, I do have a lot of videos that I'm about to film, you guys. I have a Christmas gift guide for men and women. You guys have been asking me on Snapchat and Instagram, DMing me for gift guide for men, for women, and children. I will be doing that for you guys. You guys know I kept my Christmas tree up all year. Yes, I did. Because our home decor is more like white, silver, a gold, marble, clearly as you guys can see. But this is my family room and my beauty room, and my like jewelry and everything is in this room. So this is like my little girly room, of course. And I just film in here because it's just, I don't know, it's my space. And I do have decor videos and I'm going to film today as well. So if you see me in the same look, I'm filming multiple videos because you guys know I have other stuff going on besides YouTube, and your girl be busy. Okay, so I'm going to film a couple of videos today. So if you see me in the same makeup look, girl, you heard it here first. So enough rambling. I love you guys so much, and until next time, you guys, bye.
I had to hop off the porch and go get it. I went to pick up the torch and then lit it. They tried to tell me I can't, but I did it. When I pull up, bitches look like they shit it. I had to start from the motherfucking bottom.